unlock a world of freedom and fulfillment. The incredible secrets of downsizing your home for a happier, simpler life. Downsizing is more than moving to a smaller space. It's about embracing a simpler, more focused lifestyle. It's a growing trend among people of all ages seeking a more manageable and cost-effective way of living. The benefits of downsizing are numerous. It can mean lower living costs, less maintenance, and more time and resources for what truly matters to you. It's about quality over quantity. Start by assessing your needs. What do you really require in a home? Consider factors like location, lifestyle, and personal goals. A smaller space doesn't mean sacrificing comfort. It's about finding the right fit. Decluttering is the key in downsizing. It's not just about getting rid of things, but about cherishing what adds value to your life. Adopting smart storage solutions and multifunctional furniture can maximize your smaller space. Downsizing also involves a mindset shift. It's a move toward a more sustainable and intentional living, reducing your ecological footprint and focusing on experiences over possessions. Downsizing is a journey toward simplifying your life. It opens up new possibilities and freedoms, allowing you to live more with less. For more insights into creating a fulfilling living space, be sure to like and subscribe.